Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share the important knowledge about lighting. Actually, for if you are recording video for YouTube, for anything. Here, as you can see, I'm using my built-in camera on my laptop, which is not so good, and then it become worse because the camera right here is in front of the lighting source behind me, which is produce the image of me that backlight. Okay, as you can see, you're not so clearly seeing my face because the camera is right the same direction into of the sort of light. This is the window outside my house, and then let me adjust the angle. Now a little bit better because the previous window, which is on that way, not head to head with the direction of the camera. Okay, but we have still backlight here. The window, this window, not the main source of the light, since the sunlight come from that direction. Now let me try different angle. See, this is also similar with the previous angle, but the best way is I have to make it from there. Okay, from there is the source of light, and then it must be the direction of your camera, and then with the same direction with the source of light. Now I have a better picture of me, a little bit clearer. Not so good because this camera is only my built-in laptop camera, and because of the lighting, it could make huge different quality. Okay, that's it. This video, I hope you could get insight from this simple tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.